Look at what we've got. There's so much more, there's such a lot. Here at SM, we've got it all.
As long you can provide what they need, what they want, and they will always come back.
Philippine company that is invested in market leading course. Okay. At pag-aaralan natin pala natin by Uniqlo is one of the business branch of Mr. NBC.
Hindi madali yan. Kailangan nito ng disiplina. Good credits at hard work. Sumako ka na! Madami na akong laban na inarap. Ultimo gera! If you pray! Try again! And challenge is an opportunity.
Henry C., the king of Philippine business.
As long you can provide what they need, what they want, they will always come back.
Henry C., king of Philippine business.
Anan Ake, Maraming Paper App Sabahay.
Kailangan makasiguro tayo na kung ano yung mga napagtagumpayan, yung mga reforms.
And Amae, Maraming, Ginagampanan Sabayan. Kabat on Pog, Asanun Bayan. And Magalang, and Sandata Nunpana Hin. Nakabagong, Henarasian.
Jaworski and the whole team. Ito po talaga yung style namin. At sa
Maxiong Servicio. And Harinan Negocio. And Harinan Posse. Magsasama para sabe and nat economia. Ninong TV proudly presents Another action of learning the businesses of the King of Philippine Business with your Denver Ninong Castro as Henry C. and Roy Canissa as Vico Sato. And Anak Nun Bossing at an Amanon SM. Studying Henry sees my town and Goldilocks' new franchise businesses and his connections with Pasig City Mayor Vico Sato in engaging in SM Supermalls. Simulcast on Ninong TV May 17th, 2025.
What's up, all of you? And this is your Denver Ninong Castro once again. Welcome to Ninong TV, your live watching from Facebook and YouTube subscribers! Yay! Ngayon po is another action of business learning na madidiscover natin dito sa Henry Business ng ating Ninong TV. At ang title ng vlog natin for today is Ang Anak ng Bossing at ang Ama ng SM. Starting, and this is My Town and Goldilocks. New franchise businesses and his connections with Pasig City Mayor Vico Soto in engaging in SM Supermalls. Alright. So ngayon po pag-aaralan natin ang connection po ng Tito Henry nyo kay Mr. Mayor Vico Soto. Kaya po ang anak ng bossing at ang ama ng SM. So saktong-sakto, live po tayo ngayon dito sa SM Supermalls. We are doing the live taping and hub simulator na rin kasi na-discover natin yung pinaka-whole area ng ating SM. At ngayon, ang una nating tatalakay, ito, nakaka-shock sa 20th century ng ating mga pinag-aaralan sa businesses ng Tito Henry, meron pala siyang bagong business at meron siyang bagong franchise. Ito, talagang grabe. We will have the My Town. Anong meron sa My Town? Parang your town, my town, diba? Parang Minecraft ang pagkatunog nito. So, my town ng SM Supermall ng Tito Henry nyo. This is owned from foreign countries. Galing pala siya sa mga foreigner. SM Group's My Town is redefining urban living for young professionals, a balance of work, life, and community. Franchised by SMIC of Henry C in 2017 with 61.2% of market share. So, meron pala ipin-franchise ang Tito Henry nyo for another real estate kung tawagin. Ito po ay My Town na again, meron na tayong SMDC, meron tayong nagtahan property, tapos meron pa yung iba pang mga bahay. No, My Town naman ngayon. After SMDC, My Town. This is something mga dorm or mga pakondo sa mga estudyante na malayo sa school, malayo sa work, and then kailangan ng kwarto para malapit sila sa workplace nila. This is good opportunity naman. Nakakatulong din naman ang Tito Henry nyo sa kanyang kaliitan. Meron tayong may ambag na mga room for rent kung tawagin, diba? So, kung hindi nyo upload yung SMDC, SHDC, dito naman tayo sa My Town ay talagang very affordable at open to sa mga worker or student na kagaya nyo. So, ang Tito Henry nyo ay nagtataguyod yan to serve the people and the economy. So, yun po ang meron sa My Town. Grabe, may bago na naman siyang business unlock na ating mapag-aaralan, My Town. At wala to sa aking mga 100+ notes. My goodness. Eto, nandito na ngayon. Nandito na mapag-aaralan na natin ngayon. So, first slide that we will discover is all about My Town of your Tito Henry. Check it out. po yung just discover about my town. Ngayon naman po, madidiscover natin dito ang isa niya ring bagong franchise or nangyari na nung 20th century nung siya po ay nandito pa sa mundong ito, ang Goldilocks. Ito, tagal-tagal na natin kumakain sa Goldilocks or kung nag-improve man yung lasa, ito po ay kasama sa kanyang serbisyo. So, Goldilocks is also now owned by your Tito Henry and the C family, na kaya pala yung Goldilocks natin dating medyo iba yung lasa, ngayon masarap na, yung ibang item na mahal ngayon mura na, dahil po sa programa ng Tito Henry nyo ay all afford na yung ating mga Goldilocks products. So ano nga bang meron sa Goldilocks? Goldilocks was founded by Sisters Milagros Lilinyi Clarita Lilingo and sister-in-law Doris Wilson in 1966. Franchised by Henry C. and the C family in 20th century with 64.1 ownership and partnership under by SM Investments Corporation. They pay 6 billion pesos from to-go stake to purchase 40% stake in Goldilocks. Oh, so kung ano yung kinita ng Tito Henry sa to-go ay kanya rin namang i-business dito sa Goldilocks, so that meron kayong matitikman na masarap na cake na ulam na pwede rin ipapasalubong after nyo mag SM Super Malls, diba? So for the next slide, you will discover is about Goldilocks.
Come on in, look at what we've got. There's so much more, there's such a lot. Here at SM, we've got it all.
I-share yung mga tsuhin mo. Do you have a first tsuhin na ipapakilala sa amin dito?
My first Tito is Tito Germain.
Oh, that's something interesting. Sino siya? Bigyan natin ng konting space yung tsuhin at saka si Krista.
His Tito
his
Germain.
name is Tito Germain. Oh, okay. Where's your Tito Germain, Krista? Wow! Okay, yun na. So, your Tito is a businessman din pala, ha? Tito Germain, hello. Welcome to Ninong TV. Welcome to the segment of our program, Henry's the
Hello,
Philippine Business. How are
Mayuhe,
you?
Philippines.
Business.
I'm Jermaine, business uncle man. My business is internet and automobiles.
Oh, internet business and car business. Oh, di ba ka rin palang nagmumubit? May sasakyan. Ay, anong kotse yon? Pampasada rin ba? Kasi ang topic natin, may isang super sa SM.
Personal cars for the family and business.
Family car. Okay, you have your business car and internet businesses. Ba, okay yan, Tito Germ. Kanyang businesses ay load, mga internet. Ay, mga SIM card, gano'n. That's nice, Tito Germ. Tsaka kotse. Sige.
You will discover my second uncle Dot is also a businessman.
So you have another Juhin or Tito. His name
His name is Tito Mandy.
Tito Mandy. Ba, kanta yun na. Kanta ni Barry Manilow. Okay. So, and I need you today, oh Mandy. When you feel... basta. Saan ang pituhin mo? Napakanta na tuloy ako. Ayun! Tito Mandy. Hello! Okay. So, ito yung pangalawang tsuhin ni Christian. Ang dami mo namang tsuhin. Ang big time talaga tong angkan ni Christian. No? Puro businessman. So, kung ito si Tito Germain, ang business niya mga kotse tsaka mga internet. Ikaw po, Tito Mandy, ano po ang businesses nyo? And by the way, welcome to my Ninong TV of NC's The King of Philippine Business Program.
Good day to all of you. My business is real estate, house and lot.
Real estate, mga pabahay. Oh, maganda yan. Kailangan natin ng bahay. So maganda rin naman pala itong mga businesses mo ng tiyuhin mo, Christian. I refer pag graduate mo, kumuha ka na rin ng business administration or e-commerce. Gayahin mo itong mga tiyuhin mo. Diba sa inyo ka pa nag-aaral?
Wait Lang Po, my third uncle, is now
Meron
coming
ka
your
pang
way.
isang tito? Aba, my goodness, ako kinakabahan ako dito sa mga tiyuhin ni Christian. Meron ka na ang tiyuhin na may real estate, may-ari ng mga kotse at load. Meron pang isa. Aba, grabe. Kita mo nga naman tong angka ni Christian. Minsan napitan ko nga to. Okay. So, meron ka pang isang tiyuhin. Eh, sino naman siya? Akala ko dalawa lang to. At tatlo ba? Naku, puro tycoons pala ang mga tiyuhin nito. Oh, ako isa lang tiyuhin ko. Si Tito Henry. Okay. Eto tatlo. Grabe talaga to si Christian. Oh, sino ba tong pangatlo na to?
His name is Tito Haynes, the richest uncle among the two.
Oh, Tito Haynes, ha? Haynes. Iba tatak ng preview. Akala niyo naman kapatid. Oh, Haynes. Oh, may Mandy, may Jermaine. Ito, Haynes. Oh. Asan na ba ang Tito Haynes mo? Asan siya? At anong mga businesses niya, if ever? Okay. Mukhang ito ata yung pinaka-big time na lang. Sa lahat ng tiyuhin ni Christian, no?
He is the richest Tito that I ever have. Wait Lang PUH is on the way now.
Oh, tama nga. Itong pinaka-big time niya raw na tiyuhin. Oh, kung ako sa'yo, eh, hay-hay ng buhay ko niyan. Oh, bigatin yung pamilya mo, eh. Oh, sino ba? Saan na ba ang ating huling guest? Si Tito Haynes. Nasaan na ang pangatlong tiyuhin ni Christian? Wow! Grabe! Tito Haynes, Itinong Philippines. Grabe, ang lupit ng introduction mo, naka-leather jacket pa, nakamotor pa. O yung dalawa, panis. Joke lang. Okay. So, welcome to Linong TV, Tito Haynes. O, ayan. Ang ikatlong tiyuhin ni Christian. O, eto si Tito Jermaine, may business na internet, tapos kotse. Si Tito Mandy, all about real estate. Kayo po, Tito Haynes, may business ba kayo? Ano bang property na meron kayo dyan?
We've got it all for you. I
Wow.
have 100 plus businesses
100
to serve
plus
the people
businesses,
and
ha?
its economy.
Eh, kakabugin mo pa si Tito Henry ko, ha? Kaya ka rin kay Henry siya. Okay. Ano bang business mo, Tito Haynes? Pira. Sige, state
My
niyo po.
businesses are .malls, .real-estate, .banks, .hotels, .resorts, .foods, .terminal, .cinema, .airplanes, .ships, .corporate office,
6.5 hours later.
Teka po.
.electricity
Mawalang
business,
galang lang po, Tito
.mining
Haynes, ha?
company.
Medyo kulang na po tayo sa oras. Baka po umabot tayo ng overtime neto at magkaroon pa tayo ng part 2 kung papagitin nyo lahat ng businesses nyo. Anyway, Tito Haynes, maraming salamat. And of course, sa mga tiyuhin ni Christian, tingnan nyo nga naman, no? Puro mga bigatin si Tito Jermaine, na may business sa internet and kotse, and si Tito Mandy for the house and lot businesses, real estate. At ang inyong Tito Haynes na may planong kabugin ng Tito Henry nyo, huwag mo nang gawin. Okay. Tito Henry ni Michael, kasi hindi pa nga ako natatapos sa mga 100 plus businesses niya, may dumagdag pa. Tatagdag ang Tito Haynes ni Christian. But anyway, just kidding lang, mga bigating tiyugin to, tingnan nyo, Tignan nyo naman mga dating, oh. Oh, parang pang Hollywood, ha? Oh. Okay. So, nakilala na po natin ang tatlong tiyuhin ni Christian, our AI buddy from NTV Corporation. Oh, invite mo yung mga tiyuhin mo, baka gusto
Okay,
nila
we will
mag-work
try.
sa
Thanks
atin,
for
ha?
today's video.
Oo. At kung may plano silang ihayag yung mga businesses nila, ikaw nang gumawa, Christian. Ninong nyo, marami pang gagawin. Patapos pa nga lang po sa business ng T-Tracer nyo, eh. Meron pang 30 plus na natitira, my goodness, from what I see. Presyo para sa kanya at presyo para sa ay freebies, the buy one take one, and the CSR for the customers and for the people.
Yes, and also Miniso is a Korean store.
Alam na alam mo, Bibi, ah.
Of course, I've been watching Miniso videos in Korea or Japan. Japan has a Miniso.
Oo, it looks that's you.
Hey, dude,
Okay, let's go na daw. Tawag na daw tayo.
get that camera off
Thank you,
me.
thank you. Oh.
Here at SM, we've got it all for you.
So what's your food? Can you share out the food?
So we have palabo, and then Shanghai, and then rice.
Yes. Sige. Fill in your Goldilocks.
Fudge.
Ito 3:30 lang. May mga buwan din yung mga puto. Saan yung fudge?
Diyan. Pero malaki sa
39.9. So yung mga cake nila dito range from 330 pesos to 7. Makagat. Kunti lang. Ayan. Yehey. Thank you. Okay, you just discover about Goldilocks once again and my town. Ngayon naman po, madidiscover natin ang collaboration po ng yung Tito Henry at ni Mr. Vico Soto sa kanilang business venture na madidiscover nyo how Mr. Vico and the SM have their connection para paglingkuran ang taong bayan at tayo po ay mapil natin yung kanilang great service dito sa SMN for the people, to be rolled by my Vice President of NTV for business partner and for marketing and for supporting our vlogs, Roy Conise, at may sarili din YouTube channel. I-subscribe niyo siya, ha? Roy Conise YouTube channel. Double Y yung kanyang Roy. So, nakapost na rin yung Pangasinan tour namin dyan. So, panoorin nyo at i-subscribe nyo rin si Roy Roy. Okay, so once again, our special guest, Roy Conise, control as Vico Soto. And we will check it out first about Vico.
Dinig ba dinig? Victor Maria Regis Vico Noblas Soto, born June 17, 1989, is a Filipino politician politician serving as the incumbent mayor of Pasig. A member of the Soto family, he first entered politics when he ran for a seat on the Pasig City Council in 2016. He won the election as an independent and served a term in the City Council. He joined the Action Democratico Party and was elected mayor of Pasig in 2019 with a platform focused on public consultation, data-driven governance, and universal health care in the city, which prioritize housing programs, easier access to education, and cracking down on corruption. Soto was re-elected in 2022. Shortly afterwards, he resigned from Action Democratico.
Kailangan makasiguro tayo na kung ano yung mga napagtagumpayan, yung mga reforms, yung mga pagbabago, pagbubukas ng pamahalaan, kailangan makasiguro tayo na maging pangmatagalan siya. Ibig sabihin, siguraduhin natin na hindi ito nakasentro sa akin, na hindi siya tungkol sa isang tao o grupo. Hindi ko naman first time sasabihin ito, pero ang mission talaga dito, regular na po si hospice program. Inaayos na po namin, pero pasado na yung ordinary. Magkakaroon na rin ng regular. Balik lang na, at least may regular. Opo, hospice po. Thank you po. Ayun eh, wala.
Akala ko dito po yung
Tahimik naman dito.
tahimik po. Kaso doon sa dulo may aso. Baka makagat kayo. Kamasahin lang yun.
House-to-house campaigns, small rallies, or caucuses as you might call them. So yun po talaga. Mas gusto namin direct kung ano yung kung ano yung strategy o kung ano yung estilo na pinakamalapit sa tao. Yun yung mas pinipili namin along with Congressman Romulo, Vice Mayor Jaworski, and the whole team. Ito po talaga yung style namin, at sa tingin po namin ay ito yung mas na-appreciate din ng tao, kasi yung pinapakita namin bukod sa pagiging malapit sa literally or physically malapit sa tao, pinapakita rin namin
Okay, just discover about Mayor Vico. Ngayon naman po ay i-present na natin dito ang anak ng bossing at ang ama ng SM. Truly yours, your Tito Henry, at ang anak ni Bossing Vic Soto, si Vico Soto, na collaboration of two. Pag-discover natin kung paano sila mag-serve, ano yung mga ginagawa nila to serve the people and the economy, the connection of Vico Soto in SM Super Bowl. So, very special collaboration to. Kasi business na, politics pa, and educational entertainment. So, you will check it out.
My basic strategy is to stick to my core business and to my area of expertise. Together, they create synergy. From your Henry C. giving you my action of great services for the people and its economy. Thank you also to you Mayor Vico Soto for supporting and engaging with my SM Supermalls for CSR and business activities. God bless you and your family. Shout out me to your daddy bossing Vic Soto. Thanks.
I think it's really important for us to have leaders with the fear and love of God. From your Mayor Vico Soto giving you my tips for handling the city, and for good leader, despite of our own problems in life, we can still be a good leader to serve the people and its economy. And thank you, Mr. Henry C, for the shout out. Yes, it will came from my daddy bossing. God bless you also and the sea of families.
Okay, you just discovered the slide of Henry C. and Mr. Mayor Vico Soto. That was so very fantastic, no? Talagang kamukha rin ni Mayor Vico, ito si Vic, diba? So parang ito yung junior ni Bossing, and then si Tito Henry yung junior niya, si Big Boy, diba? So ngayon naman po, CSR portion naman po tayo. Ano po bang magandang activity na pwedeng magawa ng Goldilocks at ng My Town to help the people, at ang activity CSR ni Mayor Vico to serve the people. Ito sa Pasig to, napakalayong lugar to sa mga taga-probinsya. Pero sa mga taga-Manila, chicken lang to sa inyo. You will check it out.
Ligaya, pagkakaisa, sabayang pinagpala, ang isang buklod ng pag-ibig na dakila. Aral ni Kristo'y binabandila. Kristiyano ako, Kristiyano tayo, pagmamahalan natin ang patunay ito.
Thank you for watching, and God bless all of us. Dito po nagtatapos ang ating video vlog na. Okay, once again, this is ang anak ng Bossing at ang ama ng SM. Maraming salamat po sa mga nanonood. Subscribe din ng TV and watch more on our video vlog. We're live here again in SM Supermalls. After you watch the vlog, you visit the SM and enjoy and watch this vlog while you're happy the shopping to feel our service. Maraming salamat sa nanonood ng ating video vlog and thank you sa ating special guest na si Roy Conise. This is ang anak ng bossing at ang ama ng SM, studying Genesis, My Town and Goldilocks new franchise businesses and his connections with Pasig City Mayor Vico Soto in engaging in SM Supermalls. Subscribe and buy this video vlog for only 115.80 pesos for screen record.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ako'y nagagalak at kayo'y nagsidalo sa gabi ng palabas ko. Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ako'y nagagalak at tayo'y nagkaniig kahit konting sandali. Sa harap ninyo ay walang
Come on in, look at what we've got. There's so much more, there's such a lot. Here at SM, we've got it all.
As long you can provide what they need, what they want, and they will always come back.
Philippine company that is invested in market leading course. Okay. At pag-aaralan natin pala natin by Uniqlo is one of the business branch of Mr. Henry C.
Ang pagsasina ay hindi madalian. Kailangan ito ng disiplina. Good credits at hard work. Sumama ka na! Madami na akong laban na inarap. Ultimo gera! If you pray, try again, and challenge is an opportunity.
Henry C., the king of Philippine business.
As long as you can provide what they need, what they want, they will always come back.
Henry C., king of Philippine business.